Hello guys, today we are going to learn something new which is going to boom the future. We guys know that what is going on in the world for past 6 months. Some people predicted before itself that this is going to be happen now. And some people are showcasing some numbers which will be more impactable in the situation. How they are predicting all these things and from where they got all those numbers? Yeah, I got it. It's data. Data is the collection of facts and statistics with unwanted and wanted information which is called raw data. So it consists of unwanted information. We have to filter out the information that we want to create something to predict the future and also understand the things in deeper manner. How we are going to do all these things? There are some technologies: data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, which was developed around 80s, but now only those things are getting into actions. You may ask me a question: why now? Some numbers will answer these questions. Till 2003, only 5 exabytes of data were created. But now, we are creating that much of data for every 2 days. By 2025, it's said that we will create 463 exabytes of data per day. It's a huge number, right? How they are storing all those data? It's a different thing. We are not going into that. So, now only we got the enough fuel to just start our engine. Oh, cool. Don't be get confused. What we are going to do with all these data? We have the mind and we also have some tools to take out useful insights from data. So the first thing is to understand what we are going to do with these tools. And the second, how we are going to use that. We are going to see all these things in future updates. As a first step, we are going to understand what is data science. The definitions came from 80s and 90s when some professors were looking at statistics curriculum and they thought it would be better to call it as data science. We are going to extract some insights which are hidden behind the data with the use of these tools. Okay, this will be so exciting. Data science is not belongs to one particular department or a field. It's a combination of statistics and mathematics, computer knowledge, visualization, and business knowledge. For every field, there is a life cycle. Likewise, here also we have life cycle, something divided into 6 phases called cross-industry standard process. The first phase is business understanding. To create or to crack something, we should know about it. Second is data understanding. Here, we are going to start the minings and some information from data. The next is data preparation. I already told that data is the collection of unwanted and wanted things. So we have to prepare a data which is going to speak to us. The next phase is modeling, and next is the evaluation phase, and finally we have deployment phase. All these things we are going to see in an elaborate manner in future updates. Before going to start all those things, I want to share which makes me so crazy towards it. You know what? You can be a doctor or an engineer or what you like. If you have a good knowledge on data collection and data extraction from the raw data using this tool. Experts are saying that big data will replace the need for 80% of all doctors. I got a question to you. Whether data science is the only field in a whole race? If something in the top, there must be a competition, right? Oh, then who are the competitors? It's data analyst and data engineer. Okay, first let's see about data analyst. If you are a data analyst, you are responsible for pre-processing the data and data gathering. You are also responsible for statistical analysis and data interpretation and provide report based on data using visualization tool. As a data analyst, you should have a good knowledge on statistical models and programming language such as Python or R or SAS with heartful knowledge of data visualization tool like Tableau. To become a data analyst, you must have a bachelor's degree and a good statistical knowledge. And finally, you will be paid from $50,000 to $70,000 per year. Next, let's see about data engineer. As a data engineer, you are responsible for providing good quality of data, building pipelines for various ETL operations, and responsible for deploying ML and statistical models. To be a data engineer, you must have an excellent ETL knowledge with data warehousing, in-depth knowledge on database management and big data analytics with good programming knowledge. As a data engineer, you must have a master's degree in data related field or equivalent experience as data analyst. And you will be paid from 90,000 US dollars to 110 US dollars per year. Finally, if you are in superior, if you are in data science position, you will fill the gap between customer and organization. You are the only person responsible for strategic planning, for data analytics, and also responsible for optimization using machine learning and deep learning algorithms. As a data scientist, you should have advanced knowledge in statistical analysis and optimization methods using machine learning and deep learning principles with excellent programming knowledge. And finally, it's important that you must have a good decision-making skill. As a data scientist, you must hold a PhD in data science or equivalent amount of experience in data engineer and data analyst. Now, I think you guys got a clear picture to distinguish data analyst, data engineer, and data science. Though data science is the hottest topic in 21st century, only hand-picked persons are there. This is due to lack of good data science knowledge. The elementary knowledge in data science tools like big data, linear algebra, calculus, and some statistical knowledge and some programming language is not enough. It is used only to start your career. If you really want to survive in this field, you should have an attitude of repetitive learning, good logical thinking, and you must be well-versed in mathematics, statistics, and data optimization skill. In further videos, you will get the in-depth knowledge of data science, not a basic one. I'm sure about it. So be ready to start your journey. Goodbye.